Google just changed the game with a groundbreaking AI that translates sign language in real time. Meet Sign Gemma, and trust us, you'll want to hear about this one. Stick around to see how it works and why it's a big deal. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest in tech and gaming. Imagine an AI that can understand sign language and turn it into spoken text instantly. No internet needed. Google's new Sign Gemma AI is making waves, and it's set to revolutionize communication. Let's dive into what makes this tech so incredible. On May 28, 2025, Google unveiled Sign Gemma, a new AI model in their Gemma series designed to translate sign language into spoken text. Revealed by Google DeepMind on X and showcased at Google I/O by Gemma product manager Gus Martin, this AI is a game changer for accessibility. Sign Gemma can understand hand movements, shapes, and even facial expressions to provide real-time text translation. It performs best with American Sign Language, converting it seamlessly into English. Whether it's a casual conversation or a critical moment, Sign Gemma makes face-to-face communication smoother for the deaf and hard-of-hearing community. What sets Sign Gemma apart? It works completely offline, no internet required. This makes it perfect for areas with limited connectivity, like rural regions or during network outages. Built on the Gemini Nano framework, it uses a vision transformer to track and analyze gestures with pinpoint accuracy. Google's also making Sign Gemma open source, meaning individuals, businesses, and developers can access and build on it. This could lead to apps, tools, or even integrations into devices, expanding its impact. DeepMind calls it their most capable model for sign language translation, and from what we've seen, it's living up to the hype. Sign Gemma is still in testing with a full launch expected later in 2025. While we don't have an exact date yet, the demo at Google I/O showed it's already impressive. This could open doors for more inclusive tech, and we're excited to see where it goes. So, what do you think about Sign Gemma? Is this the future of accessible communication, or are there other AI breakthroughs you're hyped for? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. For more cutting-edge tech news, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for GadInsider. We're your source for what's next. And don't forget to like and share this video with your tech-loving friends.